Welcome to our step-by-step Walmart integration guide, where you'll be able to easily set up and manage your Walmart store hassle-free with Printify. To get started, you'll need a Printify store to connect with Walmart. You can use an existing Printify store, or you can create a new store. Your store name will be shown on the Ship From field on the shipping label and can be changed anytime in your store settings. Once you have a store, click Connect. You'll have to request to sell on Walmart if you don't already have a Walmart Marketplace seller account. Once Walmart approves your request, you'll get an email invitation to set up your account. You'll need to provide some different information depending on where you're registered. If you're based in the US, you'll need the following: US Business Tax ID, W-9 or W-8 and EIN verification letter, address or place of physical operations, US business address, planned integration method for your product catalog, and primary product categories, catalog size, and any other related information. Please note that it can take a few weeks to receive approval from Walmart. Your progress will be saved automatically, so once approved by Walmart, you'll be able to resume the onboarding process in Printify and continue to the next step. Here you'll need to add your unique Walmart client ID and client secret to establish a connection between your Walmart store and Printify. To find your unique client ID and client secret, log into your seller account through the Walmart Developer Portal by clicking My Account, and then Marketplace, US and Mexico. Alternatively, if you're already in the Seller Center, navigate to Settings, API Key Management, click Add New Key for a solution provider, and select Printify from the Solution Provider drop-down list. Click Next, provide full access to the key permissions, and submit. Copy the client ID and client secret to add them into this step of the Printify onboarding process to continue. Once you've authorized, complete your Walmart seller profile. From the Settings menu, select the section of the partner profile to view or edit, and it will direct you to the relevant tab. Fill out the following sections to complete your seller profile: company info, customer service, manage contacts, returns, taxes, shipping info, and payment info. You can find out more about each topic in the Walmart Seller Help Center. Once you've completed your seller profile, check the box and click Continue. In the last step, there are two final requirements before you can sell on Walmart. In order to publish products on Walmart.com, each variant must have a Universal Product Code, or UPC. A UPC is a type of barcode that includes 12 numerals and acts as a product identifier. Print-on-demand products, however, do not have a UPC, so you'll need to apply for a UPC exemption to be able to publish your POD products without IDs. You'll also be required to request a lag time exemption. Lag time is a number of days between the date an item is ordered and when it's shipped. Sellers can apply for a category-based lag time exemption. Since products are custom printed, you'll need to request more than the standard 2-day lag time. We recommend requesting the maximum 5-day lag time, which you'll need approval for at the item setup category level. We recommend applying for all categories at once so you don't have to request exemption again at a later time. To apply for UPC exemption and lag time exemption, head over to Walmart Support Center to open a case. Once the onboarding steps have been completed, your Walmart store should be successfully connected to Printify. The applicable shipping rates will be automatically assigned to your products during publishing. For more Printify tutorials, like this video and subscribe to our channel.